To point out a few things about this BMW VVT module, about removing it from its case, and just about the different parts from it. They suffer pretty severe water damage. You can see where it's in the case here on the bottom. This one's actually not too bad, but taking this out, you can see this bank of capacitors here, these inductors. And the easiest thing to do is to desolder, rather than try to pry all of that up. It's just to desolder them. And you can see this row here at the bottom, and they have a row at the top, and then these ones are here, the inductor here, and there's another inductor there. There's also these big ones here that I thought was going to have to take off, but I didn't. They turned out just to be some diodes. So they can actually just be tested, usually in circuit, or you can remove it once you take it off. But there is a processor on both sides. We have it here on the back side, and then we also have one on the inside. Same processor. So if you're cloning, I think you're probably going to have to try to read both. I don't have the pin out yet. Doesn't look like you can do them both from the back side, so it looks like you're forced to remove it anyway, which isn't a bad idea because it needs to be cleaned up. You see some corrosion there, and the pins, and like I said, there's plenty of it along the bottom here that will need to be cleaned up, and hopefully we can salvage this module. I see a burnt socket here, probably a voltage regulator. But just going to go through, test everything, see if it's bad, then try to save it. If you can't save it, maybe clone it. I'll have to see how that goes.
Daddy, careful. And then careful.